you've been scrolling through YouTube or TikTok lately, you've probably seen people talking about automated AI side hustles, like it's the next gold rush. And honestly, it kind of is. AI tools are finally powerful enough to take what used to be hours of work and shrink it down to just a few clicks. The best part is that you don't need to be some tech wizard or have a bunch of experience. In this video, we're gonna break down 3 of the best automated AI side hustles that can realistically make you $500 a day, or even more if you scale up. Now, these are beginner-friendly, repeatable, and most importantly, they actually work. So let's dive in. Side hustle number 1, content conversion, aka turning long-form content into viral clips. So the first hustle on our list is something I like to call content conversion. The idea is pretty simple. Take long-form content, like a YouTube podcast or interview, and turn it into short, engaging clips that can go viral on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Now, you might be thinking, doesn't that take forever? Well, not anymore, thanks to tools like Opus Clip. You can do this in minutes. Here's how it works. You start by finding a long form video. Maybe it's a podcast with someone like Gary Vee or an interview with Mr. Beast. Then you just copy the YouTube link and paste it into Opus Clip. And then the tool automatically scans the video for interesting moments. Not only that, it scores each clip based on its viral potential. So you're not just guessing that it might work. Then it adds subtitles, cuts the videos into portrait format, adds zoom effects, all that stuff. Literally a few clicks and you have 10 or more short clips that you can post. Now, here's where it gets fun. Most people stop there, but if you want to make some serious money, you can go one step further, and that's multilingual dubbing. So you take those same clips and you run them through a tool like ElevenLabs, which can then dub audio into Spanish, French, Portuguese, whatever. Now you're posting the same video to your English channel, your Spanish channel, and maybe even a Portuguese one, tripling your reach with the same content. So that's how people go from a few $100 a month to thousands by tripling their reach in different languages. Now, there's definitely a right and a wrong way to do this. The black hat way is just taking content without permission. The white hat way is reaching out to creators and asking if you can turn their content into clips and split revenue. Now, both can work, but the white hat version is way more sustainable and legit long term. If you've got an eye for good content and you're decent at spotting what'll go viral, this side hustle is one of the lowest effort, highest upside plays out there right now. So you can go ahead and use ElevenLabs to dub your videos in other languages. So once you're signed in, you come over here to dubbing on the left and click on create a dub. You can go ahead and name the project, select the source language, and then the target languages. So for this example, we'll go English to Spanish, and then you can either upload a video or audio source here. You can upload a YouTube link, a TikTok, another URL, or a manual. So if you can upload video files, CSV files, foreground audio, and background audio, and go ahead and create your dub right inside of ElevenLabs. Side hustle 2, YouTube automation, but done smarter. So you've probably heard about YouTube automation before. It's where you build a faceless YouTube channel that posts videos without ever having to show your face or film anything yourself. But let's be real, a lot of these channels look and sound super robotic. That's where most people mess up. The key to making this work in 2025 is to blend automation with a human touch. So let me break it down. You could start by finding a faceless YouTube channel that's already successful in a specific niche. Let's say hypothetical scenarios or scary history stories. You look at their most popular videos, then you can download their transcripts using a tool like Glasp or Downsub. Now, instead of just copying what they did, you can use AI to brainstorm new but similar topics. Tools like Claude or ChatGPT are great for this, especially if you prompt them with something like, give me 10 video ideas similar to these viral titles. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's go ahead and go back over to YouTube. Let's just type in Scary Stories channel. And we'll go ahead and click on the channel right here, which is Mr. Nightmare. Now, right off the back, I can go ahead and tell that that is, created by AI. So we can come in here, we'll go to videos, we'll go to popular. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just copy some of these video titles and paste them into ChatGPT. So we'll come back over to ChatGPT, we'll start a new chat. And here I'll say, here are 5 viral video titles for a faceless horror story YouTube channel. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just paste in that prompt, give me 10 video ideas similar to these viral titles. So go ahead and click on enter, and here we go. ChatGPT is going ahead and giving me these 10 viral video ideas. So I'll go ahead and have it write this story for number 1, make it about 1,000 words. And just like that, ChatGPT is not only coming up with video title ideas, but it's also writing the script. Then what we can go ahead and do is copy that script, put it into ElevenLabs, and actually have the AI voice for us. Now, once you've got a topic and you feed the AI transcript that you downloaded earlier, you can go ahead and tell it something like, write me a script on this new topic in the same style. That's how you keep it sounding natural and not like a robot. So that's how you can enhance the script that we made together even better. Then you can bring that script into a video generator, something like InVideo AI, paste it in, choose your style, your voice, your visuals, and it builds the whole video for you. Now, the best part is that once you've got a workflow down, you can make a full video in about an hour. And the more videos you post, the faster your channel grows. So if you hit just one video that pulls in a few 100,000 views, that could easily be a few $100s or even more depending on your niche. YouTube automation isn't a get rich overnight, but if you stick with it and keep leveling up your content, it absolutely works. Side hustle number 3, Shorts automation. Go viral fast. This one is like the little brother of YouTube automation, and it's called Shorts automation. And it's all about creating short form videos that go viral on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. What's wild about this one is that the barrier to entry is basically zero. You don't need any fancy editing software, you don't even need to record your voice, and everything can be done with AI. So let's walk through it. You start by looking for a niche that's been blowing up with short videos. Stuff like life lessons, mini stories, scary facts, or motivation is a good one too. Then you find a few channels that are crushing it in that niche, and you download the transcripts from some of their top videos. Then take those transcripts and plug them into Claude or ChatGPT and ask it to remix the content. Same tone, but a different story. And then boom, you've got a fresh script. Then you can head over to ShortsX. It's basically like the Opus Clip of TikTok. And you can paste your script in, choose your style, choose a voice from ElevenLabs. I recommend Anton or Marcus for emotional delivery. And it builds a whole short for you with captions, images, transitions, even suggested hashtags and a virality score. The real money in this game comes from scale. One short probably won't change your life, but if you're posting 2 to 3 per day across multiple channels and just one of them hits 1 million views, that can be $100 to $500 payday or more if you're monetized. And here's the thing that people forget. Shorts grow fast. Like you can go from 0 to 10,000 followers in a week if you're consistent. That opens up brand deals, affiliate marketing, merch, the whole works. Bonus, TikTok automation, the 1,000 per day sleeper hustle. All right, I said I'd save the best for last, and here it is. If you've ever scrolled TikTok and you thought, how are these random channels getting millions of views? This is how. TikTok automation works a lot like Shorts automation, but here's the kicker. TikTok has launched something called the Creativity Program, which pays creators up to $1 per 1,000 views on videos over a minute long. That's 10 times what you'd get from YouTube Shorts. So what people are doing is creating these slightly longer videos, scary stories, quizzes, shower thoughts, all using AI. Then they're posting 2 to 3 times a day and just letting the algorithm do its thing. Some of these accounts are pulling 50 to 100 million views per month. Even if you're getting 50 cents per 1,000 views, that's still tens of thousands of dollars, all from videos that you didn't even film yourself. It's a bit more advanced than the other hustles on this list, but if you're already have played around with Shorts or YouTube automation, then this is the next level. So AI is making it easier than ever to start a side hustle. But here's the deal. The opportunity won't stay this easy forever. The people who get in now, while tools are still affordable and competition is low, are going to be the ones winning big 6 months from now. So whether you start on content conversion, launch a faceless YouTube channel, or go all in on viral shorts, just test something and start. Test, learn, iterate, and you'll be amazed at how quickly it can add up. Now, if you want to deep dive on any of these side hustles, go ahead and drop a comment down below and let me know which one I should cover next. And if you want to get started with any of the products we talked about today, like Opus Clip, ElevenLabs, ChatGPT, go ahead and go to the description down below and you'll find links there. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustles, different ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.